Now let's go ahead and open up the demo folder in here. And this should be familiar if you already have taken my previous Spring Boot courses. So inside of the pom.xml, so in here, let me just show it to you. So we have the version 2.4.3. So make sure that this version is the exact same version as mine, so that everything in this project will work properly. Then right here, you see that I'm using Java 15, and then we have dependencies. So we have the Spring Boot Starter Web. So this is for building RESTful APIs. And then we have Lombok, and this is mainly to remove some boilerplate code, which you'll see in a second. So adding some annotations on our plain Java objects. So, and then last thing that we have here is the Spring Boot Starter Test, and this is mainly for testing. And to be honest, this is it. So let's go ahead and open up the project tab, and then open up the source, main, Java, and then inside we have the demo application. And let's go ahead quickly, and if I expand this, so in here, so let me just show you something. So you see right here, I do have all the keyboard shortcuts as I'm using them, so you can see and follow along. So here I've pressed Command 1, and you can see the keyboard shortcut for Mac and Windows. So if you want to learn about IntelliJ, as I said, I do have a course teaching you this awesome IDE as well. So now let's go ahead and pretty much run this application. And in fact, you can see all of the integration that Ultimate has, right? So it gives you information about the annotation. So if I click in here, you can see that it's telling me navigate to application context, and you can even see the Spring diagram, so on and so forth. But for now, let's go ahead and just run the application. So you can right click and then run demo application, or you can press either this play button or this one here or this one here. So there are many ways of running this application. So let's just run the main application. And there we go. You can see that application up and running. And right here, you can see that we have Tomcat started on port 8080. So make sure that you can get to this point and the application is up and running properly. And if you are stuck, go ahead and let me know. Otherwise, next, let's go ahead and define the model for our application.